YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today just to announce a small winning into one of my studies. And I had a video up on Sunday. I showed that I'm participating along with some other young ladies here on the YT that we are doing a Dollar Tree sticker collab. And so I asked, for people to play along, and asked in the comment section to say if whether or not you were interested in participating along, and that I have some free goodies to give you, including the stamp set, the sticker set, and different things that I use in creating my particular projects. And again, I will give you what I have, or give you similar items or whatever. And again, you're not restricted to do it the way I did it. I want to see how you can use your creativity to do it. So I will be having drawings for winnings from time to time based on that collab. And I'll be giving you like a pack of these stickers and say, show me what you can make with them. And again, you can go any direction you want. I just want to see your creativity. I want to be inspired. And so with that said, I had several comments, but only one person actually said enter me into it, because that was one of the things I said to put in the description box. And that was Ty. So Ty, you are the winner. And I'm excited to see what you want to do. So Ty, if you can inbox me on Instagram, or email me. My email is in the description box below, or Instagram, DaretoBeCreative1, and send me your address, and I will send you out the goodies. And then you can let me know when you make your creation, so I can see what you did to be creative. So anyway, I just want to make sure I now said that I said I was going to put it up on Wednesday night. I have my drawing at 12 o'clock on Wednesday, and yeah. So anyway, Ty, congratulations, thanks. And anybody else wants to play along, feel free. Just about using your Dollar Tree stickers and just using them like this was a book. I deconstructed it and made it into a mini album and used Dollar Tree stickers. These, I just made some cards with some puffy stickers. So you can do anything you want, but the whole goal is to use some stickers. So anyway, Ty, I will be sending you that out once I get your address. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.